With graduation just a couple of weeks away, graduating students that are majoring in fine arts have put together a final thesis art show in the UNO Chris Library. The Vector Graphic Design Thesis Show showcases the graphic designers and fine art students what they have learned and also the talents these students will use in the future. Senior student Madison Beach, who has a display in the art gallery, says having the Vector Thesis Show means a lot to her and other students to show what they have learned over the past years.
It's really important for us because it's our capstone course, and we really wanted to showcase all we had to offer, all of our skills. We go through a lot of critiques with not only the teacher but with each other, and we just really wanted to show how well we can communicate visually.
Beach says the students wanted this show to be their own. That is why the name Vector came to mind.
We wanted our own take on the show, so we decided to come up with a whole branding name for it. So Vector, meaning a force with both magnitude and direction, and so we took that, and this is basically our magnitude because we all have different directions that we're going. Manager of Possibilities at UNO, Heike Langdon, says why she attends these thesis shows every semester.
It's fascinating to see what different things the students are doing, how much talent they have, how they develop different ideas.
Langdon says this is a great experience for the students before they hit the real world.
It shows them how to put together a show, it shows them timelines, getting everything done in time, it gives them a chance to experience the jitters of a first-time show.